My name's Spencer. I'm the commercial restaurant manager at IKEA North York. I started in 2012. I was a co-worker part-time in cook shop and decoration. Then I moved full-time into textiles as a team support. Then I was a team lead in both decoration and textiles, and now most recently as commercial restaurant manager. I've always loved shopping at IKEA. I loved it as a kid up until an adult. A lot of my condo is decked out in IKEA everything. My mom saw that we were gonna have a job fair at IKEA North York, so said I should apply because she knew how much I loved the store. I love how every day is a little different. You never know what you're gonna get. And also I have a big team of coworkers under me now. I have about 30 coworkers, and I love developing and coaching my coworkers. The thing that I've learned the most through my time at IKEA is when I moved into management and I started to deal with duty calls and difficult customers, just learning that every customer has their needs and it can be very different than what we expect it to be. Start off as a clean slate and kind of understand what the customers want, and then going from there and figuring out what their needs are. So the IKEA value that means the most to me would be renew and improve. From moving from so many different positions so far within IKEA and knowing that IKEA is successful, but there's always another way to improve and change with the times. So I see that IKEA has done that through my 8 years here, but it will be great to see where IKEA goes in the future. I come to work every day because I love working with the coworkers that I work with. We have a big team and everyone supports one another, and seeing happy customers, having them start their journey with a great meal helps them start the buying process for the rest of IKEA. So I like to see them go off and hopefully buy some more items in the store. Working at IKEA, it's super inclusive. I find that everyone, whether it's coworkers or customers, they always feel welcome and they always feel like they have a place at IKEA. So if you're looking to apply to IKEA or start working here, I would say that anything skills-based we can teach you. But if you don't meet the values of IKEA, that's what grounds a lot of coworkers who stay here a long time.